This new class takes a look at some of the upcoming and current design trends that'll continue into 2019. Designers' roles are expanding, and understanding the future skill sets that will be in demand is important to grow. Not only will we look at stellar examples of those trends in action, but we'll dive into some software programs that can help us start to think about learning these new skill sets to emulate these trends in 2019. I hope to add more trends as this class evolves, but enjoy this quick journey that will hopefully inspire new creative ideas for you this year and beyond.